Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to be building this miniature workbench with built-in Moxon vice. This is made out of just an off-cut worktop that I took out of a customer's house. I thought it was too good to throw away. I'm not sure of the timber that it is. It's got bits of walnut in there, but it's not walnut all the way through. Really not sure, but this is a cheap and cheerful build. Nothing fancy going on here. Like I say, off-cut worktop, some threaded bar, some nuts and bolts, that's it. But stick around till the end of the video and I'll tell you what I would have done differently. Hope you enjoy it. Cheers. Okay, and there it is. That's the video. Let me know what you think about this style of video, whether they're a bit too long, too short, what you think, let me know. But yeah, getting back to the project, the things that I would have done differently, not a great deal to be honest. I'm quite happy with how it's come out. I would have changed this threaded bar to something with a bit of a coarser thread. Like this takes, look, you can see like ages to undo it and do it back up, so that might get a bit annoying, but it gets, like, the bite that you can get on it is unbelievable. It's really good. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty good to be honest. I might end up drilling these dog holes right the way through and changing from them little washer dogs to like some better dogs, but other than that I'm pretty happy with it. For a cheap and cheerful build, this has probably cost me about, I mean, well, it hasn't to be honest, because I already had all of these parts, but if you was to buy this, maybe like a fiver, £6 for one length of threaded bar and a couple of wing nuts and that. Like I said, it's off-cut worktop. I mean, if you had to buy the worktop, yeah, it might cost you a little bit more, but other than that, cheap and cheerful build. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching along. I want to stay up to date with my videos, hit that subscribe button, ding the bell, and you'll be up to date with all my videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.